this is Dave. Dave wants to unlock the power of YouTube and connect with like-minded people who also like the weird and wonderful stuff that Dave does, whilst earning some extra income at the same time. But Dave is scared. He doesn't want people to recognise him and laugh in his face. He doesn't have a fancy camera to film himself, and Dave's boss will kick his ass if they find out that he's a YouTuber. Poor Dave. But wait, there is an answer. Magical ways that Dave can create a YouTube channel without showing his face. So put on your size 9s, Dave, and go and kick fear in the nuts, my friend, for your time has come to shine. And in this video, I'm going to give Dave 9 YouTube channel ideas without showing his face. Maybe some of them could help you too. If they do, give that like button a little tickle and maybe subscribe for more. Number 1 is tools and DIY. Are you good with your hands? And I'm not asking if you're a master at picking your nose. I mean, can you build things, make things, and do you enjoy DIY? If so, then a channel like Handicrafts could be perfect for you. All you need is a well-positioned camera or even a mobile phone pointing at your workbench to record all your DIY jobs. Upload them to a basic video editor. For example, I use Filmora, which is really easy to learn. You can speed the video up, add a voiceover describing what you did, and use your YouTube channel to inspire and teach others, and you don't have to show your face for any of it. Number 2, ASMR. Warning, I will say this only once, so listen carefully. When you start researching ASMR videos, your YouTube feed is going to go weird. If you're a married man like me, your wife might look at your phone and think you've taken up some new interests. That's because a lot of ASMR channels are run by very attractive ladies that have got no issue showing their face at all. But that doesn't mean you have to. First of all, if you don't know what ASMR is, it's basically things that give you that tingly feeling. Often this can be stimulating or relaxing audio, which is why some ASMR channels will whisper quietly into the microphone and some will use a huge number of props so that you can hear tiny details. Vito ASMR is a Korean YouTuber that uses all kinds of accessories to record sounds, such as Orbeez and fizzy water, or the sound of breaking bread. So what do you need to create a successful ASMR channel? Well, a good microphone to start, and after that, I think some healthy curiosity to find sounds that appeal to people. And if you need any more motivation, then get this. Social Blade is estimating that Vito ASMR is earning between £25,000 and £400,000 a year. Well played, Vito. Number 3 is doodles. Now there are 2 things that I've always wanted to be good at and don't have any natural ability or patience to learn. 1 is to play the guitar, 2 is to be able to draw. It's fair to say I don't have an artistic bone in my body, but maybe you do. Check out Doodles by Sarah. Like a lot of YouTubers, Sarah does one very simple thing, and that for me is the key to YouTube success. She uses her talent and ability to teach others. Maybe there's a particular artistic talent that you have that you could teach others. Well, what are you waiting for? Record your work, learn the basics of video editing, and you have huge potential to make money through YouTube adverts, affiliate income, and even your own products, as people will want to buy your creations too. YouTube is bursting at the seams with opportunity. Number 4, self-development. We all want to be better versions of ourselves. It's natural. I know if you're watching this, then you 100% want more in life as you're looking to start a YouTube channel and all that good stuff that comes with it. Now, the Art of Improvement create content based on all kinds of self-development, and you could too. There are endless sub-niches in this niche. Think about all the ways we can improve ourselves. That could be emotionally, spiritually, physically, mentally. This channel uses VideoScribe, which is a whiteboard animation software. And if you want to learn how to use this software too, then it's really easy, and I show you everything you need to know in my other videos. Go and check them out at the end of this one. Okay, let's take a quick breath. We're almost halfway through the video now, and I just wanted to say, if you have any good ideas for YouTube channels, then make sure you drop them in the comments. The most popular one could win a pack of fish fingers, so don't miss out. You got to be in it to win it. And if you like this kind of content, then make sure you hit the subscribe button for more. Now on with the show. Number 5, curiosity. The Unexplained Mysteries channel has mastered the art of intrigue and storytelling. They understand that these 2 factors can really propel a YouTube channel to the moon: information and entertainment. Nail these 2 things and there's no stopping you. If you check out their videos over the years, then you can see that they pick interesting stories, usually mysteries, countdowns, history, strange facts, paranormal and horror, which can be sourced on Reddit of all places. and they add voiceovers and use slideshows, often with stock footage of photos and videos. Don't be intimidated, your writing and storytelling will improve with practice. If you didn't want to learn video editing at this stage, you can even use a simple application like Canva to assemble these slideshow videos. It's much easier than you might think. Number 6, gadgets and inventions. Listen carefully to this one, as there's a huge consideration you need to make before you go for this awesome niche. TechZone create videos on tools, gadgets, machines and inventions. They've got over 3 million subscribers, and according to Social Blade, the website that estimates YouTube earnings, they potentially earn over $30,000 a month, which is about $41,000 if you don't work in pence and pounds like me. Now let me explain exactly what they do. They take videos from other YouTube channels, usually manufacturers of these inventions and tools, and they create a compilation video. Generally, they override the original audio and play music over the top plus their own voiceover. This is one reason they probably get away with this under fair usage. They can probably argue that they're repurposing the original videos enough. But also, if you look in the description of the videos, they always link to the originals and give credit. I also think in a way a lot of the original creators won't mind because their products are being showcased to millions of people, and that's free advertising. So the concept is simple, but you've got to be prepared for some potential copyright issues with this one, and go carefully. Number 7, entrepreneurship and business. Whilst money doesn't buy you happiness, it can certainly open the door to things that do make you more happy. Not only that, more and more people are looking to start their own side hustles and businesses in order to avoid working for the man and find self-fulfillment, which is why entrepreneurial channels have always been one of the biggest niches on any social media platform, never mind YouTube. The Young Entrepreneurs Forum has over 700,000 subscribers and is another excellent animation channel that explains business concepts through whiteboard explainers, using software similar to VideoScribe. Now, a few people always ask if these channels can be monetized, and yes, they absolutely can. The whiteboard style is exactly that. It's just a style. If the message and content you deliver is original and value-driven to your audience, then heck yes, you can monetize these channels in many ways. Number 8 is nails. Fellas, this one's for you. We're talking nails. Oh, hang on, my bad. I thought it was another DIY channel. It's not. It's actually nails, like the end of your fingers nails and how to make them all sparkly and stuff. So, fellas, it might still be for you. Now, there are actually loads of channels that I could use as an example, but it's fair to say that Gabby Angelique is one of the better ones. She does show her face on some videos, but most of the time, again, it's a camera pointing down and extremely close up with some music edited in over the top. Sometimes a voiceover describing what she's doing. Nothing that you couldn't master if you tried. Number 9 is thoughtful content. Now, if you've ever seen Polymatter's channel, you would appreciate it's an absolute work of art. Beautifully put together slideshow animations mixed in with stock footage videos. Their videos are really well researched. He uses stories about all kinds of things such as tech, business, economics, especially around the Far East countries. That doesn't mean that your YouTube channel has to be a level 10 in intelligence. No, that's not what I'm suggesting. Instead, I want you to focus on Polymatter's style. You never see his face. Instead, you're visually pulled through the video with their clean and simple animations. And I know what you're going to say, but John, I can't create videos like this. Blah, 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 blah. Well, stop that pity party, because here's what I want you to do. Skillshare is an online learning platform where tons of content creators have built small courses that are easy to digest and learn step by step. Polymatter himself is one of those creators, and he shares how he creates his videos using a simple presentation application. Not only that, there are YouTube courses, video editing courses, storytelling training, and just about anything you need to become an awesome content creator. You don't even have to spend money, as you can grab the free trial and go binge watch as much as you want for 30 days. Check out the description and the link on the screen now and use that to get a free trial and level up your skills. But also, if you need more video ideas, then click on the video on screen now, and by the end of it, you'll have a big list of YouTube channel ideas to take your pick from.